So today we will discuss what is NaN property in JavaScript. So let's go and understand the concept behind NaN in JavaScript. So first of all, we have the definition like NaN stands for not a number, a special value in JavaScript that represent an invalid number result. So even though it's not a valid number, it still has the type of number. So we will type check with console.log, and we have to type like type of NaN. Then it will show us it is a number value in JavaScript. So explanation is NaN is still considered a number because JavaScript uses floating point arithmetic internally. So it's a numeric type that signifies an error in a numeric operations. Now we have when does NaN happen in JavaScript. So first of all, we have an example in which we have first console.log and we have like 0 divided by 0, then it will throw like NaN. And second one is console.log in which we have math.sqrt in which we are passing -1, and again it will show NaN. And when we write console.log and we have a string and we have a sign of minus and then we have a number, then again it will show NaN in JavaScript. So here we have the explanation which is already we have discussed, and below that we have NaN is not equal to itself. So this is the main question in interview. So interview asks us that console.log and NaN triple equal to NaN. So it will show us false just because JavaScript considered every instance of NaN different, even from itself. That's why you can't use triple equal to check for it. So here we have correct way to check for NaN, which is we have to write number dot is NaN and we have to pass value. So in this case we are passing NaN, so it will show us true. And when we try to pass number dot is NaN, and if you pass any string or any other value, then it will show us false. It means this is not the best example for NaN. And here we have our 3 cross question for interview which we have already discussed. First one is why does type of NaN return number, and second one is why is NaN triple equal to NaN, and last one is how do you safely check if a value is NaN. So this question we have already discussed. So that's how we can deal with NaN in JavaScript. If you have any doubt, then mention it in comment section. We will discuss in our further videos. So thanks for watching.